Hey, welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the super easy process to grow Good King Henry from seed. Right here I have one of my mature plants. There's a lot of things growing in around it, but this is the mature plant right here, and a lot of the seed has dried down, as you can see. So what we're going to do is just collect this seed. Easy way to do it is just take it with your hand, just strip it off just like this. I'm just going to go ahead and collect what seed I find, because I don't plant seed out in little tiny rows. I just scatter it around in a planting area. Now we're in early August right now, and late July, early August is when Good King Henry seed really starts to dry down. Again, just scattering it around. The seed is so small, it's going to find the little crevices in the soil. Then what I like to do with the last little bit of seed, just scatter around. Whee! Some of those will germinate somewhere. It's about 2 weeks later, and just about all of the Good King Henry seeds have germinated, and I'll go ahead and show you that now. Okay, so here is a whole bunch of the seedlings coming up. All of these are Good King Henry.